How to make clip-ins, you say? Yes, girls, you know it's the season of DIYs, and we're gonna get into some clip-ins today. First things first, you're gonna wanna measure your head. When measuring, you don't wanna measure directly from ear to ear or from edge to edge. You wanna make sure that you're getting at least an inch around the perimeter of your hair for like that leave-out effect. So here are the stats of my head. For the widest part of my head,
just swing your arms in the air. You got a big ass head, you don't care. Hold up. Oh.
I like to create 2 bundles for each of those measurements. I like to create 2 of the smallest width of clip-ins as well, so that fills out the front area. So today we're gonna be working with So Upscale hair. If you are interested in this lovely hair, I have a discount code for you in the description box. The density of the hair is a little thin, so I'm gonna double weft the tracks in order to create some full clip-ins. Measure your weft, ladies. And for this example, I'm going to be making a 6-inch weft. Therefore, I'm going to be cutting this weft at 12 inches so that I can fold it in half. Boom, we have a 6-inch clip. Before sewing, make sure your weft is nice and flat. And we're gonna sew from the closed end, which is on my left, to the open end. You see how fake clean my stitching is or whatever? Over here thinking I can make wigs and do sewings after this. Shoot, respect my body. So I just wanted to show you guys like the width of what I would typically put 3 clips on. You could put 2 clips on a weft this size. However, you know that extra clip in the middle is gonna make it extra sturdy, not shame. Major key alert. So what I used to do was sew in like the 2 largest circles within a wig clip. I tried to sew in with the middle, like the little holes that are in between, but what I ended up doing was going in between the teeth of the comb of the wig clip, if that makes sense, and I went through the loops and I sewed that on to the weft, and it actually came out super snug. If you've been rocking with me for some time, please comment down below and let me know what you think about me doing a segment where I have like these little tutorials, you know, where I am reviewing things and it goes straight to the point. I'm thinking about calling it like tutorials to the point. Comment down, like, let me know what you think about that idea. And a lot of these tutorials, we don't need a long talk, all right? And that's where I come in if you like the idea of that. And if you're new to this channel, hey, how's it going? I already love you. I hope you feel the same. Welcome. Please hit that subscribe button with the bell notification so you don't miss anything that I post. I hope you're hilarious, charming, and not to forget, beautiful. So this is the end result. A nice clean weft. Continue this process for the other bundles, of course. And girl, you could be whipping your hair back and forth like moi. I shall see you in the next one. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share this with somebody who wants to make clip-ins. Bye.